What's up, guys? It's Jay coming at you from camp. It is 6:30 in the morning, and we got our fire going again for the morning. We have our first cup of coffee in the mug, but one of the first things that I normally will do at camp when I get up, get a fire going, get through all my stuff, right? I go ahead and get myself cleaned up for the day. So normally I have my toiletry kit that I bring with me that has all the stuff in it. You know, it has wipes, it has stuff for my teeth, it has stuff to wash my body, all that kind of stuff, right? All that good stuff. Well, a buddy of mine has started up a company called Free Kansas Supply Company. So let's see if you guys can see. Free Kansas Supply Company, right? And they are doing these 24-hour hygiene kits. And I thought this was really cool. So he reached out to me and he said that he wanted to send me something to try out, that he doesn't see it, anything like it in the marketplace. And he's right. I haven't seen it anywhere in the marketplace. Hygiene is an important issue out in the field. And even just a day or two out in the field, without taking care of your body, you're going to start having adverse results from it, right, or adverse effects from it. So we talk about it a lot in my book, Bushcraft for Minutemen. There's a whole chapter dedicated to hygiene because of how important it is, because it will take you out. I don't care if you're a civilian or soldier, if you're a contestant on the show alone, it doesn't matter. Poor hygiene will take you out. So normally what I do is I sit here in the morning and I just go ahead and do all the things, right, hygiene wise. But I'm going to use this 24-hour hygiene kit instead. Number one, you can see how small it is, right? Real small. It fits in the palm of my hand compared to the one I normally take in the field, which is quite a bit larger. So let's go through real quick what the contents are. It has a pre-pasted toothbrush and dental pick, foot powder, travel deodorant, 3 times compressed towels, 6 times flushable wipes, hand sanitizer, and 3 times soap sheets. Field ready, vacuum sealed. So as you guys can see there, lists all of our table of contents. It is in a vacuum sealed bag, so you just tear open the top or cut the top open, and away you go, right? So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. We're just going to go ahead and cut it. So there's that. So we're just going to open the whole thing up. Alright, so there's our empty package. We have a little thank you, scan me thing in there. That's cool. So we have some of our compressed towels. So there's supposed to be 3 of those in there. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 compressed towels. Those are tiny as hell. Holy crap. That's cool. So we have 3 of those. No sweat antiperspirant wipes. Baby and foot powder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these to-go wipes. So those are your wet wipes. And then what is hand sanitizing wipes there? And what was the last thing on there? And then we have a pre-pasted toothbrush and dental pick. So that is a tell you what, guys, that's a pretty cool little setup. I have no idea what these are going to retail for. I have no idea when they're going to be available. He's in the testing phase right now, so what better way to test it by giving it to a dude in the field to test. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get cleaned up this morning and be ready to go for the day. So you guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. So definitely go check out Free Kansas Supply Company. Bookmark his page on the internet, and I believe he is also on YouTube and he is on Instagram. So make sure you check him out. He's a cool dude and making a cool product. I like this. This is neat. So anyways, guys, keep getting out there, keep training, and we'll chat with you soon. Later.